Check this out. If I want to copy this exact ease in and ease out to this curve, then all I need to do is click on this button and it will give me the exact curve. And not only that, it also works on different nodes. So if I take a node and add some keyframes, and on this node, if I want the same ease in and ease out, I can just click on this button again and it will give me the same ease in and out on this node as well. This script is made by CHFR, so if you want to support, you can visit this channel. So to download the script, you can go to this GitHub page and click on download zip. Once you download the zip file, you can extract it, and inside that folder you will find the script. Now all you need to do is just copy the script to the script folder. Now to do that, you can open DaVinci Resolve, then in Fusion page, go to effect, and then in template, here you can right click anywhere and click on show folder. It will open the template folder and you can go back into the Fusion folder, and here go to script, then com, and here just paste that script. Alternatively, you can press Windows R and then copy this path from the description and hit enter, and it will take you to the same folder. Now let's just move the script here, and then you can go to the workspace, then script, and then ease copy, and it will give you this pop-up. Now let me show you how you can use it. Now here I have the transform node and 2 keyframes. Now let's make a curve, just make any kind of curve. And now if I want to copy this curve, then I have to place my playhead in the middle of these 2 keyframes. And then on this pop-up menu here, just give it a name and click save ease. And then this ease will be saved in this list. Here you can find all the ease you have saved. Now let's quickly take another transform node and add a keyframe on angle. Now to paste the ease, you have to first keep the playhead between the keyframes and then press apply. Another example, if you have multiple keyframes, then from this target drop down, just deselect the node and then reselect it again. And from the target list, you will get all the keyframe list. So if I want to apply it on the center value, then select the center value and hit apply. Then it will only apply on the center value. Then if I want to apply it on the size, then select size and apply, and it will only apply on size. And if you want to apply it on all of the keyframes, then select all and it will apply all of the keyframes. Another thing, if you use center keyframe, then it will give you this warning. It's because center has 2 different values, X and Y. So if the center value doesn't work, then you can right click on the center value, go to modifiers, and then use this XY path. The reason it's gray out is because the center value has keyframes. So if I double click on the center value, it will get rid of all the keyframes. And now if I right click and go to modifiers, then select XY path, then in the modify tab, I will get 2 different sliders, one for X and one for Y. And then you can keyframe these and then you won't have any problem. Before I go, let me share another trick. If you use spline on edit page, then you know it's very difficult to use spline on edit page, especially if you have a small monitor. So if you press Windows plus, then it will give you this magnifying option, and you can keep pressing Windows plus to zoom in, and now you can adjust the spline much more easily. But I don't really like the Windows inbuilt magnifier, so I use another magnifying app named Glassbreak. It has very smooth zoom in and zoom out. If I open the setting, there are a lot of options you can check out yourself. So with this software, I just zoom in to the spline and it helps me to adjust the spline much more easily. Let me know if you found anything useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.